Hi there, my name is Boya Baroy. I'm a professional makeup artist. Today, I will show you how to get the perfect eyebrow. These are the products that you're gonna need. You will need a brow pencil, a brow brush, and a concealer. When shaping your eyebrows, always clean them. Don't overcut them. Always go to a professional. Let them help you creating your own shape that's going to suit your face. So step one, you will need this. You use your pencil or a brush to measure where your eyebrow will start. So you'll do that. And then use your pencil. Start from the inside of the eyebrow. Step 3, né? Use a brown brush for blending and fading. So the last step will be cleaning. Then you can use your middle finger to blend. Do the same thing on the top as well. Okay. So always use your middle finger to blend, because this you're avoiding having a halo around your eyebrow.
And that's how you get the perfect eyebrow.